This is Gomati and welcome back to my channel Momsure. If you are new here, please consider to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. In today's video, we are going to look into some of the important points that is to be considered while deciding to DIY flashcards and 5 different methods of making flashcards with price split ups. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. If you have time to make the flashcards, it is going to save you lots of money. But you need to put extra efforts. You will use up to 200 flashcards per month. This means you need to make at least 50 flashcards every week. This will take anywhere around 4 hours of your time. Step 1 will be finding the images to make the flashcards. Step 2 will be designing it as per your interest. Step 3 will be taking the printout, and step 4 will be laminating your cards. If you have the time and patience, you can decide to DIY flashcards. There are many different types of flashcards available in the market, but most of them are very costly. When you decide to make flashcards at home, you need to invest in a color printer and a laminator as well. This may cost you anywhere around 17 to 20,000. If this is feasible, you can make flashcards at home. You can download some copyright-free images from internet or some other websites. But the problem with these kinds of copyright-free images are they are less in resolution, and when we print to make flashcards, the images will not be clear. So you need to find some time in getting the right resolution picture, or you may sign up to some websites like Pixabay to get good quality HD images. Now let's see how we can make flashcards. Download the picture, take a color printout and laminate it. One tip to select the picture is it should be clear, realistic and with no background color or image. For taking the printer, you should either buy a printer or you may get the work done from a local printing shop. As well, for laminator, you may buy a laminator or you can use the iron box in your home. Now let us see the price split ups for the different options available. Option 1, you need to buy a printer and a laminator. A printer will cost you somewhere around 15,000 and a laminator will cost you 2,000 rupees. For taking printout, you will need A4 sheets which will cost you around 410 rupees for 1000 sheets, and laminating sheets will cost you around 535 rupees for 100 pieces. So with an initial investment on printer and laminator of rupees 17,000, you will have to spend around 6 rupees 35 paise for each flashcard you make. Option 2 is you will buy a printer but you will laminate the cards using the iron box. So for printer you need to invest around 15,000 rupees, and for A4 sheets you will have to spend around 435 rupees for 1000 pieces. Laminating sheets will cost you around 535 rupees for 100 pieces. In option 2, you will end up spending around 6 rupees 35 paise for each flashcard you make. If you decide to print and laminate in a local shop, you will end up spending around 20 rupees for each flashcard. Instead of printing on A4 sheets and laminating it, you can also choose to print on 300 GSM board. Printing on GSM board will cost you around 12 rupees for one A4 size card. You may choose to decrease the size of your flashcard to cut your cost into half, that is 6 rupees per card. Get a stack of used magazines, cut the pictures and stick it on blank flashcards. You can get A5 size blank flashcards of 150 piece for 300 rupees, that is 2 rupees per card. You may also get a color printout and stick it on the card. In this method, you can make flashcards for about 7 rupees per piece. Take a printout and stick it in a cardboard. You can use any parcel boxes, or you may get cardboard from old paper stores for rupees 30. Approximately in this method, you need to spend around 5 rupees for one card. This is the most efficient and simple way of making the flashcard. You can simply buy a file pouch from a local store which costs you around 5 rupees per piece. Take a printout and insert the paper in the file pouch. To make the file pouch sturdy to flash the cards, you can insert some cardboard like this or some invitation cards, anything that makes the paper stiff. With an initial investment of 100 rupees for the file pouch, you can make this card for 10 rupees if you choose to take printout from a local shop, or if you have a printer, the cost of the card will be around 2 rupees per piece. This costs you 0 bucks. Simply download good images, prepare a PPT and show it in a laptop or mobile or a tab as you wish. I personally do not prefer to give gadgets to my kid, but gadgets have an advantage of showing the images at a very high speed. Faster the speed, the more efficient is the flashcard train. You can choose the option which best suits you. I hope this video was useful to you. If you like the video, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified on new videos. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay connected, keep teaching.